Now, continuation tayo sa fire elements. Okay, the concept. So we have here the heart and small intestine, yung heart, which is the yin dominant, and the small intestine, which is the yang dominant. Yung heart houses the mind, governs mental activity, concentration, memory, creativity, and sleep. Nourishes the blood and blood vessels. Circulates blood and heat, secretes sweat. Communication, yung speech and expression, it opens to the tongue, the color is red, and emotion is joy, yung flavor is bitter, yung climate is heat, and yung coupled yang organ is the small intestine. This is the first element that we shall study together, and would like to start by explaining the lower diagram. In the center is the heart and the small intestine, and surrounding them are all their associations. Most of these aspects, such as mental activity, sleep, nourishing blood, secretion of sweat, speech, and emotion, are mainly related to the yin organ, the heart. It is the heart that circulates blood and heat, and not the small intestine. But the heart and small intestine are coupled organs, and this means that they have an interior-exterior relationship. Through this interior relationship, energy flows from one organ to the other, from where it is high to where it is low. If heart yang rises, it would flow to the small intestine. And if the small intestine cannot rid of this excess yang, then the small intestine yang would become excessive as well. So, palipat-lipat po. As long as the small intestine yang was not in excess, heart yang will flow to the small intestine and be reduced to normal. If the heart yang become deficient, so yung heart yang deficient, then the small intestine will try to fill in that deficiency. So, pag deficient yung heart yang, yung small intestine mag-fill up. And if the resources to replenish small intestine yang become depleted, so habang nag-replenish yung small intestine, siya po ang na-deplete, then the small intestine would become yang deficient in due course. The coupled organs usually have the same picture of imbalance, unless the energy flow between them is blocked for some reason. However, they have their own division of labor, and there are specific functions for each of the coupled organs. If one of them is imbalanced, the other is affected almost instantly because of the interior energy flow that connects the two organs. The interior relationship between the coupled organ is taken into consideration when treating the imbalanced state in either of the two. Heart houses the mind, governs mental activity, memory, and creativity. The brain consists of marrow, which is a substance that belongs to the kidney. Although the kidney make the brain marrow, the brain function relates to the heart. So, for instance, yung Alzheimer's disease, which result from loss of brain cell, is caused by deficiency of kidneyin. So, nagbabawas po yung brain cells. It indicates that there is a deficiency of kidneyin, but the earliest symptoms naman is loss of memory, which is caused by deficiency in heart yin as well. So, sa memory, ang heart yin ang affected. If our brain is active and our head gets warm in the process, it is our heart chi that is responsible for this brain activity. So the greater our intelligence and brain activity, the higher the heart chi will rise. The heart chi is the function, and the heart blood provides the fuel for this function. Heart blood and gain are reduced through the day during our brain activity. What are the plans daily through sleep and relaxation?